Welcome to the definitive cryptocurrency trading masterclass for 2026. If you have been searching for a realistic, step-by-step roadmap to achieve financial independence in the digital asset space, you have arrived at your destination. Today, we are going deep. We aren't just looking at charts, we are building a professional trading business designed to earn you your first $100 a day and scale it into a consistent $7,000 monthly income. The market in 2026 has evolved. The old rules no longer apply. We are now in the era of integrated AI, institutional-grade liquidity, and a regulated global framework. Over the next 15 minutes, I will walk you through every single phase of this journey. We'll cover everything from the bedrock of security to the advanced mechanics of portfolio automation. This is a masterclass designed to take you from a curious observer to a professional digital asset manager. Stay with us until the very end, where we'll provide a full comparison of the top trading platforms optimized for this new era. Let's get to work. Before we break ground on Phase 1, I want to invite you to join our community of professional traders. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. To succeed in 2026, you first have to understand the environment you're operating in. We have transitioned into an era of massive institutional adoption and sophisticated regulation. It's no longer the Wild West of a decade ago. Bitcoin and Ethereum have stabilized as foundational global assets, while the rise of real-world asset protocols, or RWAs, has bridged the gap between traditional finance and the blockchain. This maturity has brought a level of stability that allows disciplined traders to find predictable, high-probability patterns. However, you are now competing against highly advanced AI trading algorithms that operate with incredible precision. Your edge in 2026 doesn't come from speed. It comes from having a superior system, ironclad risk management, and a profound understanding of global macro trends. We have moved from speculative gambling to professional-grade asset management. Grasping this paradigm shift is the fundamental prerequisite for anyone aiming for that $7,000 monthly goal. It's about being a strategist, not just a participant in the market noise. The 2026 market rewards the prepared and punishes the impulsive. It's a game of chess, not a game of chance. Phase 1 of our roadmap is establishing your digital fort. In 2026, wealth creation is impossible without institutional-grade security. A simple 12-word seed phrase is no longer the gold standard. First, your primary trading capital must reside in biometric integrated cold storage. These hardware devices use your unique biological markers, like fingerprints or facial scans, to authorize any movement of funds, providing a physical layer of protection that software simply cannot replicate. Second, you must implement multi-signature or multi-sig authentication for your long-term holdings. This process requires authorization from multiple independent keys to move assets, virtually eliminating the risk of a single point of failure. Finally, we now utilize decentralized identity protocols to ensure that your exchange accounts are tied to your verified, on-chain identity, preventing unauthorized takeovers. This security-first philosophy is best for long-term capital preservation and absolute peace of mind. Remember, in the world of crypto, you are your own bank, so you must operate with the diligence of a high-security vault. Protect your capital with the best tools available, or you risk losing it all before you even begin. Your security is the foundation upon which your wealth is built. Do not skip this step. Phase 2 is selecting the right venues for your trades. In 2026, the lines between centralized and decentralized exchanges have blurred. For your daily trading, you need low-latency, high-liquidity platforms that are fully regulated. We primarily use hybrid exchanges that offer the speed of a centralized server with the security of on-chain settlement. You should also be comfortable using DEX aggregators, which automatically scan dozens of liquidity pools to find you the best possible price on any asset. Furthermore, look for platforms that integrate seamlessly with your tax reporting software. Compliance is not optional in 2026. Choosing the right platform is about more than just low fees. It's about execution efficiency and regulatory safety. This stage is best for optimizing your trade entries and minimizing slippage. A pro-level platform is your most important tool in hitting that $100 a day target. It's your interface with the global economy. Choose wisely and prioritize reliability over gimmicks. Phase 3 is where the work begins, mastering technical analysis in the AI era. To consistently hit your daily income targets, you need to understand the hidden movements of the market. In 2026, we focus heavily on order flow and volume profile. Order flow allows you to see the actual buy and sell orders as they hit the exchange, giving you a transparent view of where the smart money is positioning itself. You aren't looking for patterns, you are looking for footprints. Volume profile shows you exactly at what price levels the most trading activity has occurred, helping you identify true support and resistance zones rather than just arbitrary lines on a chart. We also integrate AI-assisted indicators that help us filter out market noise and identify liquidity hunts, those moments when the price briefly reverses to trigger stop losses before continuing its true trend. Your goal is to identify high-probability setups where the risk is tightly controlled. This stage is best for accurate market timing and short-term profit capture. It is the foundation of your daily $100 goal. Learning to read the language of the tape is what transforms a trader from a guesser into a professional. Phase 4 is about identifying alpha, advanced fundamentals, and sector analysis. While technicals tell you when to move, fundamentals tell you what is worth moving into. In 2026, we analyze protocols like venture capitalists. We look at on-chain revenue. Is the protocol generating actual fees from its users? We look at user retention. Are people staying within the ecosystem? And critically, we study tokenomics 2.0, the mechanism of supply, demand, and staking incentives. We are focusing our attention on the high-growth sectors of 2026, DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, which is bringing the blockchain to real-world hardware, and AI agent protocols that allow for autonomous economic activity. By identifying these high-utility assets before they reach the mass market, you position your portfolio for exponential gains. This approach is best for those looking to build generational wealth through deep value investing. When you combine these fundamental insights with your technical entry points, you create a powerhouse strategy capable of reaching that $7,000 a month target. Know the value, and the price will eventually follow. The market is a machine that transfers wealth from the uneducated to the informed. Be the latter. Phase 5 is the often overlooked but vital component, trading psychology. To reach and maintain a $7,000 monthly income, you must master your own mind. The market of 2026 is designed to exploit human emotion, fear, greed, and impatience. Professional traders operate with emotional neutrality. They treat a winning trade and a losing trade with the same level of calm. They understand that their edge plays out over hundreds of trades, not just one. Patience is your greatest asset, waiting for the perfect setup instead of forcing a trade out of boredom. Discipline is following your system even when every fiber of your being wants to deviate. In 2026, we use AI-driven mindset scanners that track our physiological responses to stress, helping us identify when we are becoming too emotional to trade. This stage is best for ensuring consistent, long-term execution of your strategy. A perfect system is useless if the person operating it is compromised by emotion. Build your psychological resilience as carefully as you build your portfolio. It is the ultimate edge in a high-stakes environment. Phase 6 is the most critical pillar of our roadmap, risk management systems. This is the single factor that determines whether you will still be trading a year from now. In 2026, we operate with a strict, non-negotiable framework. Rule number 1, the 1.5% rule. Never risk more than 1.5% of your total trading capital on any single position. If your account is $10,000, you never allow a single losing trade to take more than $150 from you. Rule number 2, every trade must have an automated, smart stop loss. These aren't just static orders, they are dynamic, trailing the price to lock in profits as your trade moves into the green. Finally, We use AI-driven volatility scanners that monitor market sentiment in real time. If the market becomes abnormally volatile or irrational, your system should be programmed to automatically move your capital into yield-bearing stablecoins. This disciplined, emotionless approach is best for ensuring market longevity. In trading, survival is the prerequisite for success. Protect your capital with everything you have, and the profits will take care of themselves. Longevity is the true secret to compounding wealth over time. Don't be the trader who makes a fortune in a week only to lose it in a day. Play the long game. The final stage of our roadmap is Phase 7, professional scaling and automation. Once you have mastered the skill of making $100 a day, scaling to $7,000 a month is not about working harder. It's about working smarter through systems. In 2026, we leverage reputable, non-custodial trading bots to execute our proven strategies across multiple asset classes 24 hours a day. This allows you to capture opportunities in every global time zone without being glued to a screen. You also begin to diversify your trading profits into real-world asset protocols that provide stable, low-risk yield, creating a robust financial cushion for your primary trading account. Scaling is the transition from being a manual trader to being a systems architect. You are now managing a diversified portfolio of automated strategies and yield-bearing assets. This level of operation is best for those who want to turn cryptocurrency into their full-time career and achieve total financial independence. This is the culmination of the 2026 roadmap, from a curious beginner to a professional digital asset manager. The path is clear. The only thing left is your consistent execution. Take it one step at a time, and the results will follow. The future of finance is automated, and you are the pilot. We have covered a tremendous amount of ground today, from the bedrock of security to the advanced mechanics of scaling your income in the 2026 market. This roadmap is your blueprint for success, but it only works if you take that first step today. We started with Phase 1, building your digital fort. Phase 2, selecting professional platforms. Phase 3, mastering advanced technicals. Phase 4, identifying fundamental alpha. Phase 5, building your psychological resilience. Phase 6, implementing strict risk systems. And Phase 7, automating and scaling your success. Remember, the market rewards those who are disciplined, patient, and perpetually learning. This comprehensive system is best for those serious about professional-grade wealth building. Your goal of $7,000 a month is within reach if you apply these principles with consistency. Every master was once a beginner. Your mastery starts now. Take these 7 phases and turn them into your daily reality. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. If you found value in this masterclass, please support our work by liking this video, leaving a comment below with which phase you're most excited to master first, and subscribing for more professional-grade financial education. Your support helps us continue to build these in-depth, high-quality guides for our community of traders. We are committed to your success in the 2026 digital economy. Thank you for your time, your focus, and your commitment to your financial future. I am incredibly excited to see you succeed in the 2026 crypto markets. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Until then, stay disciplined, stay informed, and keep building your future.